Hey Asif, hope you're doing great and continue to remain a constant source of inspiration, guidance, encouragement and hope to numerous individuals looking for brighter and better career prospects just like me. Let me use this medium and platform to once again thank you for helping me gauge my inner ability and interest in the field of training. Your career counseling program indeed helped me upskill myself from a guest relations executive to a trainer, which ended up being my passion. To mention, your career guidance program that helped me with my initial screening and interview process, gave me my breakthrough and helped me climb up the ladder to a managerial position, undoubtedly increasing my monetary gains over the years. So thank you once again and wishing you all the best for your future endeavors.